In this video I found some, what I think is some archaeology, which I think you guys might be interested in. Now, I'm out and about in the whipstick, just sort of getting away from the house, going for a bit of a drive. I was also doing some filming for some videos that, some theoretical videos that I'll be working on shortly, if I haven't already done them. And driving along, and I came across this sort of pile of rocks, which just looked a little bit different. Now, I'm not sure if I can pick this up in the film, but you got your general leaf litter. There's the erosion gully over yonder. There's a reef of rock popping up just on the surface over there. And you sort of this very reddy, orangey, mineralized soil everywhere. So a pile of red rocks doesn't look that odd. It's just that there's something about it that looks just a little different. And so I wound my window down and pulled up next to it. And then I started noticing these surfaces. See, that's got a real curve to it. And all around this stuff, look at this. That's not a curve, but that is an impression. It's not clay. It's almost as if it's fired clay. And so what I reckon we've got here is a furnace. And these are the bits of it after it's been broken up. Look, here's a better one. It's a really clear sort of pipe-like form. So I don't know what else it could be other than a furnace. Although I guess, you know, we are in the middle of a gold field. There would be hundreds of people in this area working it, so maybe it's an oven because, you know, they need to eat. But I don't know. What do you reckon? And the thing that's got me stumped though is I can't see, when I say anything else, over there's a water race, but anything in this immediate area, I can't see. But looking around, I can't see anything that would be a structure associated with it. Like, I can't even see flattened benches that you'd maybe have a tent set up on, or where a building used to be. There's no regular lines of stones that might indicate the base of a wall or anything. So if you've got any ideas of what this could be, other than a furnace, help me out. Give me some suggestions, because that material, that reddy, rocky material, it's fired clay, and you don't get clay firing like that unless you get it to a really high temperature. Doesn't necessarily mean furnace temperature, so it could be an oven. What do you reckon? Let me know. But anyway, more videos coming, I promise. Catch you on.